Let me show you how you can use the Google Notebook LM to create high quality, powerful slides using just a document and a simple prompt. The first thing you need to do is you want to come to the notebooklm.google and you come to an interface like this and you want to click on try Notebook LM. So if you come here, you see the featured notes and what other people have done. But if you come down again, you see your recent notes that you've created yourself. So you can come here, click on create new, and you can start creating the new notebook. So there are a lot of things you can do on this platform, but we want to create a dedicated slide for presentation and or research. The first thing to note is here you can basically just tell it what you want to do, and it's going to search the web or your Google Drive and bring out your sources. So the way this works is you have to give it a source and it's going to use that source to do what you want it to do. And your sources can either be files like PDF, images, documents, audio, and a whole lot of other things, or it can be website. You can give it a link like Google YouTube videos, article links, website links, and all of that. And it's going to scan the website, get the information, and then do what you want it to do. You can also give it access to your Google Drive, or you can just copy and paste the text of what you want it to use as a source, and then create what you want it to do for you. So let's say you wanted to create something around, let's say, a marketing funnel or whatever you want to create. You can just come here, click on search, or click on search the web, and fast search or deep search. It's going to search the web and bring out like high quality assets or links, and you can basically use it to create what you want to create. My favorite method is actually to give it a file that I want it to use, because this is going to be much faster and it's going to help us do things faster. So I'm going to come here, click on upload files, and I'm going to give it a PDF that's already downloaded. So I have this PDF here and I want it to create a slide for me using that PDF. So this PDF is basically a PDF around email marketing and all of that. But if you wanted more sources, you can come here, click on add sources, and you can add again more sources. Let's say you come here, you can add as many links as possible, YouTube links and all of that. So as you can see here, say that paid articles are not supported. So if your articles are from links that are paid or website from paid links, it's not going to be able to read it and all of that. So only public YouTube videos are also supported. So if you have videos that are unlisted or private, it's not going to work. Recently uploaded videos may not be available to import, so you need to learn and be aware of all of this. So in my case, I just want it to stick to this source alone because I do not want it to go outside this source. And by the right, I can now select what I want it to do. I can use it to create audio, videos, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, slide decks, and data table. What I want to do is to create a slide deck. So here I can select the kind of slide I want to create. We have two options. We have the detailed deck where you can have more details and all of that, or you have the presenter slide, which I like most because this is what I want. So this is going to be very clean visual with key talking points to just support you while you speak. But if you wanted something that is more detailed, where people can just read the text directly from the slide, this is the one you go for. All right, but I'm going to stick to this one for now. Now this is where the real magic happens. You want to tell it what you want. So here you can add a prompt. So I already have a prompt that I use from time to time, and if you want to use this prompt, I'm going to put a link in the description and a link of other prompts that you can use to generate high quality slides on NotebookLM. All right, so here I want to tell it exactly how I want this slide to be. So this is my prompt. I can add other things like maybe the color that I want it to use, the kind of branding and the tone and a whole lot of things. But again, I am very okay with this my prompt, and all I have to do now is click on generate. So it's going to determine or decide the number of slides to create to easily convey the message that we want. So as you can see here, it's generating the slide deck using the one source that we gave it, which is this one. Again, remember that you can add more sources, but I am usually fine with one. And from now, all I have to do is just wait for it to perform the magic, and we shall see the final results. So after some time, our slide is ready. So it used only this PDF that I gave it, and it used the prompt that I gave it, and it has created around 8 to 10 beautifully designed slides. So you can just come here, click on this slide, start slide. So you see what it looks like. So you can see this is actually very good. So I actually made a mistake. I am supposed to remove this major 4 here, but it has taken what we gave it to turn it into a very beautifully designed professional slide. So as you can see, this is really good. This is really good. So these are very high quality slides that you can create for your own business, your own presentation, or whatever you need it for, using just a single prompt and AI with single source or sources. So once you like this, you can just come here. Instead of playing it, you can equally download it. So you can download it as a PDF, and now you can download it as a PowerPoint slide. So anyone that you prefer, you can download. So we are just going to download it as PDF, and you now have your slide ready. You can equally just download it as a PowerPoint presentation file, and again, you have it ready. So this is one of the easiest way to create very high quality professional slides using Google Notebook LM. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And my name is Good Noel. Please subscribe.